Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. Knowing these signs can help you avoid serious damage and keep your ride smooth and safe. Let's get started. Wheel bearings are designed to support the weight of the vehicle. The primary function of a wheel bearing is to enable the wheel to rotate smoothly with minimal friction. Wheel bearings reduce the friction between the moving parts, allowing the wheels to spin freely and efficiently. Symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. 1. Grinding or humming noise. Wheel bearings are designed to allow the wheel to spin smoothly. When the bearing is worn out or damaged, the metal parts inside it can start to grind against each other due to lack of lubrication or wear, producing a grinding or humming sound. This noise can often be heard when the car is moving, and the noise may vary with the speed of the vehicle. 2. Steering wheel vibration. A damaged wheel bearing can cause the wheel to wobble or be out of alignment, which translates into vibration felt in the steering wheel. This is particularly noticeable at higher speeds, because the misalignment or wobble becomes more pronounced. 3. Uneven tire wear. A bad wheel bearing can cause the wheel to wobble or tilt, leading to uneven pressure on the tire. This results in abnormal or uneven tire wear, which can be dangerous and reduce the lifespan of your tires. 4. Wobbling or play in the wheels. When a wheel bearing is excessively worn, it can create play or looseness in the wheel assembly. This can be detected when the vehicle is jacked up and the wheel is rocked back and forth. The play indicates that the bearing is no longer holding the wheel securely in place. 5. ABS system issues. Modern vehicles use wheel speed sensors as part of the anti-lock braking system. A faulty wheel bearing can cause incorrect readings from these sensors, leading to the ABS warning light illuminating. This happens because the wobbling rotation of the wheel affects the sensor's ability to accurately read the wheel's speed. 6. Poor handling. A worn-out wheel bearing can cause the wheel to not spin smoothly, which affects the handling and stability of the vehicle. You may notice the car feels loose or unstable, especially when turning or driving over bumps. 7. Brake issues. The wheel bearing helps keep the wheel properly aligned. When it is damaged, the wheel can become misaligned, causing increased stopping distances and a brake pedal that feels soft or spongy. 8. Vehicle pulling to one side. A damaged wheel bearing can cause the wheel to be out of alignment, leading the vehicle to pull to one side. This happens because the wheel is not tracking straight, and the uneven forces cause the car to veer off course, especially noticeable when driving straight or braking. Recognizing these symptoms early and understanding their causes can help in diagnosing and fixing a bad wheel bearing before it leads to more severe damage or safety issues. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to have your vehicle inspected and repaired by a professional mechanic as soon as possible.